Hey bees! Today I will test ride this Honda CRF 300L and also this KTM 890 Adventure R. But first, let me present my crazy friends who own these babies. This guy right here is my Romanian Funko, also called Laurențiu, and he's the proud owner of the KTM 890. And he's Michel, our Dutch boy with his insanely modified Honda 300L. Lucky enough with these fellow riders, I got the chance to ride both of the bikes, and today I had some laps on this beautiful track, so just wait until the end to see how I compare them.
So I took the KTM from Laurențiu, the KTM 890. I have to go down, but I don't know if I want to go down like this.
These are my first seconds on the KTM, and it just feels right. I have not ridden too many bikes in my life, so I don't have experience with this, but I'm extremely impressed with the bike. Jumping on the KTM, it immediately feels like I know this bike for years.
Haha! This is a true machine, you know.
It feels very nice in low RPMs, almost like a one-cylinder bike with a lot of torque. But once you rev it, you realize how much the bike just loves that. It has a lot of power, but it comes in a way that you kind of expect it.
Man, and the sound is so cool. It sounds so good. It's so easy to control. Like, the handlebar just goes wherever you want. Like, it's very light to control it.
The specifications say the KTM is over 200 kilograms, but trust me, you do not realize this. I have ridden all my life almost only dirt bikes, and the 890 feels just like a big one. It goes where I want, when I want, it's very predictive, and when I'm in motion, you do not feel the weight at all. It's just insane.
Oh my god, this is such an amazing bike! Wow! Oh my god, the difference is huge!
I have tried the Tenere 700 not too long ago, and I was impressed by that bike. It was amazing. But now, after trying the KTM, I truly believe that...
No man, this is the best bike ever! I swear. So nice to control, so responsive, so fast.
Although it might not look too fast, trust me, it is, at least for me and for my capabilities. The track is very bumpy, and the stock suspensions that have a proper setup do an amazing job. I just cannot believe how nice it feels.
Wow, I think I fell in love. Doamne! Vai de capul! Yeah, just to compare it. Wow! Ah, this is also very tall. The ABS is off already? ABS.
It's on the way off.
Okay. This is a enduro bike with... Man, this is just an enduro bike that you can register. Just look at this. So light.
When I jumped on the Honda, I had almost the same feeling like with the KTM. Like, I know this bike for a very long time, but from a different reason. It feels like a dirt bike, and if you ask me, it is one, but with a very different purpose than the others. I feel like everywhere on the track I was riding faster, but not 100% because of the CRF 300. I actually think it was more from the skill that came in place. I felt like home on the ride.
This is just lovely. Such a light bike.
The Honda is way lighter, and you can tell this in any second you ride it. I'm not sure by how much though, considering all the modification this bike suffered, but you know it's lighter. You feel when it's jumping over some bumps and so on. I'm not surprised, but I have to say that the Honda does not have that much power, that smooch that I was finding in my two-stroke bike or even on the KTM.
I'm curious about the lap times, you know? KTM versus the Honda.
Overall, it is an amazing bike, but I don't think I got the same excitement and craziness that I had from the KTM.
So light, and it's like...
Do you like the suspension?
Yeah, suspension is good, but it feels very heavy on the front. Whew, wait. I need air.
Okay guys, let's take 2 more minutes. Okay.
Whoop.
I know, this comparison is not fair at all. I'm comparing a very light bike that is underpowered and built to take some real dirt roads with a heavy beast with good suspension and low center of gravity. For my liking, I think the KTM won. It was slower, but I personally felt way faster. It gave me more adrenaline. It is more of the struggle, for sure. But sometimes, that's also more fun, and it can lead to more adventures. And that's exactly what BeeAdventurous is about. So please subscribe for those.